Okay, this is the first day of the week, so I'm going to start by reading the Statement of Respect. The Garrison Forest School community is deeply committed to equity, honesty, kindness, and respect as part of the educational experience. To this end, we celebrate diversity both within our community and our curriculum, are concerned for the well being of all people, seek to build the self esteem of all people, aspire to promote the understanding of all people. We recognize the dignity and worth of all individuals. To protect their rights, we confront bias, prejudice, and discrimination. Garrison Forest School does not condone any behavior which is inconsistent with these tenets. We believe that it is unacceptable for our spoken and written language and behavior to demean anyone's physical characteristics, as well as anyone's ethnic, gender, personal, racial, religious, or sexual identities. We as individuals must take responsibility for our words and deeds and respect all people. All right, so you guys should be in today's folder. So that's here, okay. There's our objective for today. Our objective today is that the students will use the law of cosines, which I hope you saw in the last video. The dot product part 2 one, I think, talked about the law of cosines. By computing the dot product in magnitudes, so that thing is comprised of dot products and magnitudes. You had to do like an inverse tangent in there, right? In order to make measurements about angles between two vectors. All right. So what do you have to do from here? Okay, the first thing you got to do is go into the instruction resources. And there's a dot product part 3 video and notes to supplement that. So you should check those out. All right, so then you go back and there's some practice stuff here. So there's two sets of problems there. One that's an angle between vectors problems, which directly uses that law of cosines. And then there's a cube problems, which is like some application to that. Spend some time on those. Don't turn those in anywhere, just hold on to them. We'll discuss them when we're on 9:16. We're back to the synchronous class, okay? So just do them, hang on to your results, and we'll talk about them next class. All right, so then we're going to go back, and you're going to get a wrap-up, right? So after you're done with that, you're going to go there. There's going to be a summary video there, which will talk about that there's not a formative assessment and talk a little bit about your homework. That'll recap the objective, and we'll go from there. So there's your intro video. Remember, if you have questions as you're going along, reach out, email, and I'll see how I can be helpful. All right? Thank you.